Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm King of Rhymes, RJM baby. Yeah, I'm King of Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, Randall Technology Company is an online business growth company. So if you want to grow your business online, don't hesitate to contact us on the number in my description, or don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram as Randall Technology Company. Yeah, on today's episode of how to make money, yeah, I want to show you 10 free money making websites that can change your life, or that can make you rich, or that can earn you money. So no time to waste. Let's start from the top to the down. Yeah, so number one on the list is Myio. Myio is an online survey app that instantly pays you for answering questions online, or for answering survey questions. So when you go to Google, then you enter myio.com, then you follow the steps and you create your account. On my other channel, I will show you how to create an account on Myio. So number two is Survey Time. Yeah, Survey Time is also a survey app that instantly pays you for answering survey questions. So they will ask you questions about you, about business ideas. So when you give them the correct answers, then they'll reward you with points. So the point after the point, then you insert your PayPal accounts so that the points will generate to dollars. Yeah. So number two on my list is Swagbucks. Yeah, Swagbucks is also a survey app that instantly pays you for answering online questions. So don't hesitate to join their company and answering questions in your free time. So the more time you spend on their website, the more money you get. So when you get any free time, then you visit their site, then you try to like answer questions concerning business ideas, then they will reward you with points and also dollars. Yeah, and their points, you can use their points to buy Amazon gift cards and so far and so on. Yeah. So number four on my list is Honeygain. Honeygain is a dollar mining app. Yeah, dollar mining app that will generate you money. So Honeygain work like this. Yeah, it work like how you are mining Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So let's say you have many equipment or gadgets like laptops, phones, and things. So you can connect to the same account. Then you click start. So the more time you spend on the site, then it will be mining dollars. So you can start from the morning to evening, then you mine dollars. So Honeygain is a mining like it's a mining site here that will help you mine dollars. So you can, so I'm advising you that like don't use only one phone. You can use maybe 10 phones or 10 laptops, then you connect it to the same account, so they'll all mine into one account so that it will mine more dollars. Yeah. So the follow point is SuperPayMe. SuperPayMe is also a survey apps that instantly pays you for answering questions on their sites. Yeah, on their just answering questions. They will question you, then you'll be answering them. So the more you'll be answering the questions, then they will be paying you. So Super Pay Me, like you'll connect your Gmail to their account. So when there's a survey, then they will alert you on your Gmail. Then you answer them and be on their site and participate on the survey. So the more their survey, they pay from $1. Yeah, at times they pay $0.50, 0.50 cents. Yeah. So the more you spend on their site, then you'll be getting enough dollars. Yeah. So the next point is future FuturePoints. Yeah, FuturePoints is also a survey platform. Yeah, so the more you be answering questions, or you'll be on their site answering questions, then they'll be rewarding you with points. So that points, when the points get to a certain amount, then they will transform the points to dollars for you to cash out. Yeah. So the next point is $10. Yeah, $10 is also a survey apps that pays you for just answering questions. Yeah, and the more time you spend on their site, the more money you'll be getting. So these are free sites without any capital. Yeah, you can be on this site without any capital. All you need is your internet and your phone. You're ready to go. You can be on their site, answering questions, being there, spending time on their site, then they'll be rewarding you with dollars. Yeah. So my next point is Pocket Stream. Yeah, Pocket Streams also a survey apps. So they also reward you with points, and the points will generate to dollars. Yeah. So my last one is here. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. You can start a YouTube channel by creating a Gmail. After Gmail, then you create your YouTube account. But first thing first, you have to think about what you want to do on the channel. So after that, there's no capital in it. All you need is just build on your channel, doing your stuff, and then when people watching your videos more, YouTube will add ads on your videos, so that when people watch your videos, you will get a little dollars. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. Yeah, the name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah. I hope all these 10 points I've give you will help you change your life. Yeah, don't forget to sign up with this top 10 points I've give you, and try. There's no harm in trying. Just try, and your life can change. I'm out. See you same time next week. The news will remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes outside.